In this video, we will be discussing personal views in Airtable. Personal views in Airtable are a fantastic way to allow individual users to have custom configurations for the views that they care about for their particular workflows or their day-to-day jobs. It allows you to take a view, make it your own, change the field configuration, which ones are shown, which ones are hide, the coloring, the sorting, the filters, so on and so forth, without affecting anyone else's views. So how you create one, I'm gonna go ahead and move this. All you need to do is go here to create a view. When you create a view, it'll give you the option to make it collaborative, personal, or locked. We're gonna make it personal. And then we click create new view. And now this view, as you can see when I hover over it, it's a personal view that only I can configure. So nobody else can change any of the settings for this particular view other than myself. Now that I've created my first view, I can create another personal view really quickly with this My Views button. And as you can see, it'll create that personal view with my name on it really easily. Go ahead and delete that. Whenever you have a base with more than 20 views, it will automatically create each additional view as a personal view. So that's a really great way to just keep the clutter down for your more complex bases. If you do access someone else's view on your team, you will be able to see their data, but you will not be able to change the configuration for that view. If you want to kind of have the same exact setup as them, what you can do is duplicate the view and make it your own, and then it's your own personal view at that point, so you can change it however you like. So for any view that is made a personal view, you can actually reassign it to a different person on your team. So this is one that is already an existing view that's collaborative. I can assign it as a personal view to somebody on my team. I can make it my own. I'm the only person on this workspace. That's why I'm the only one showing up. But for an existing personal view, you can actually reassign it to someone else. So same method, and you'll just choose the new owner at that. So that is how to create and use the personal views in Airtable. Stay tuned for the next video.